Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. The launch of spot Ether exchange-traded funds in the United States has marked one of the largest inflows to the asset since December 2022. According to the latest CoinShares report, newly issued spot Ether ETFs racked up a significant $2.2 billion in inflows alongside a 542% hike in ETH exchange-traded products. So the new inflows milestone was tempered by $285 million in overall net outflows from Grayscale's $1.5 billion Ethereum trust. Alongside ETH developments, Bitcoin has attracted $3.6 billion in flows over the past month, contributing to a year-to-date total of $19 billion, a historic high. According to CoinShares analysts, the firm believes the surge is driven by speculation surrounding the upcoming US elections and the potential for BTC to become a strategic reserve asset. Hong Kong Legislative Council member Johnny Entry has announced plans to collaborate with various stakeholders to assess the feasibility and potential benefits of incorporating Bitcoin into the Special Administrative Region's financial reserves. In a recent blog post on X, Entry emphasized the increasing global recognition of Bitcoin, often dubbed digital gold due to its perceived value and potential as a hedge against inflation. He also highlighted the importance of considering Bitcoin in strategic fiscal reserves, suggesting that its inclusion could benefit Hong Kong's economic framework under the right regulatory conditions. Entry has acknowledged in his proposal that thorough research and compliance with existing regulations are essential to ensure the strategic and secure integration of Bitcoin into Hong Kong's fiscal reserves. Slovenia became the first European Union member to issue a sovereign digital bond with a €30 million note that settled on-chain to the Bank of France's tokenized cash system as part of the European Central Bank's money settlement experimentation program. The 4-month notes mature November 25 and carry a coupon of 3.65%. Settlement took place in wholesale central bank digital currency on Thursday. The Slovenian government said, a wholesale CBDC is a digital token designed for use by financial institutions rather than consumers. The ECB completed its first test of the settlement of a wholesale CBDC in May and said it would conduct more trials and experiments over the following months. The first experiment carried out by Austria's central bank looked at the tokenization and simulated delivery versus payment settlement of government bonds in a secondary market transaction against central bank money, the ECB said at the time. BNP Paribas acted as global coordinator and sole book runner, as well as the distributed ledger technology platform operator of Neobonds, its private tokenization platform built with digital assets, DAML and leveraging Canton blockchain. In a move aimed at bolstering regulatory oversight and mitigating financial risks, the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority has proposed new guidelines for stablecoin issuers. The proposal comes amid growing concerns over the potential impact of stablecoins on regulated institutions and the broader financial ecosystem. According to a recent guidance document, FINMA seeks to classify stablecoin issuers as financial intermediaries, highlighting the increased risk associated with money laundering, terror funding, and sanctions evasion linked to these digital assets. Stablecoins, digital assets linked to the value of traditional currencies or other assets, have experienced increased adoption. However, their rapid growth has also prompted global regulatory concerns due to potential illicit activity and misuse. In its guidance issued on July 26th, FINMA emphasized that stablecoin issuers must be subject to the same anti-money laundering obligations as traditional financial institutions. These include verifying the identity of stablecoin holders and establishing the identity of beneficial owners. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day. The BSP in the Philippines has reported a significant rise in digital payment transactions, surpassing its goal of digitalizing 50% of retail payments by 2023. This is due to the pursuit of a cash-light economy and the increasing use of digital payments across various sectors. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. emphasized the rise in digital payments in his State of the Nation address, stating that most systems are now digital and cashless, assimilating individuals, MSMEs, and agricultural co-workers. The pilot QR program developed by the BSP and the Department of Interior and Local Government aims to build a digital payments ecosystem in the country. The share of monthly digital payments in terms of value grew from 40.1% in 2022 to 55.3% in 2023. Qatar is working on establishing a crypto framework to legally recognize digital assets as part of its strategy to strengthen its digital economy. The Qatar Financial Center Chief of Financial Services Sector, Heng Chan, stated that the framework is expected to be finalized and enacted by Q4 of this year. Well, the QFC has also established a digital asset lab to encourage innovation and research in the financial and digital asset sectors. The lab is a collaborative platform for startups, businesses, and researchers to develop innovative digital asset and blockchain solutions. Bitcoin miners are adapting to industry changes following April's fourth halving, with the rising 7-day average mining hash rate indicating new operations. The rising BTC price boosts miners' revenue despite market dips, while major mining firms are exploring new opportunities, including AI integration and acquisitions, to navigate the identity crisis. Miner has introduced 4 new machines and a solo mining container system, while MicroBT introduced powerful M6 XS Plus miners with 190 to 440 terahash capabilities. The Bitcoin hash rate has broken records, reaching 677 exahashes per second. The Ronin network, a gaming-focused blockchain, achieved several milestones in 2024, surpassing other active blockchains like Tron and Solana. On-chain data platform Token Terminal showed a 2 million DAU count, surpassing Tron with 1.8 million active users and Solana with 1.2 million users in the last 24 hours. The Ronin team highlighted factors that may have influenced the increase in active users, including a surge in volume for its non-fungible token marketplace called Mavis Market and the listing of Ronin token on Binance. Well, the network reported 12 million RON holders and over 3 million downloads for its Ronin wallet. The ecosystem now has 15 playable games and more games are being developed. Solana has become the 4th largest asset after flipping the position of Binance Coin, while SOL's rise to $194.34 following predictions of rising to $200 is boosting the platform's DeFi apps and growing liquidity for meme tokens. Recent meme token action shows that there are still niches for top memes which outperform and move into or onto centralized exchanges. Highly successful tokens bring in more than $1 billion in daily volumes on Solana, creating potential conditions for meme-based boosts. And Solana has displaced the chain as the location for new mints and DeFi projects due to Binance divesting some of its NFT and removing BNB as the reserve token. Additionally, Binance's BNB is not as widely used for DeFi and PancakeSwap has a diminished role during this bull cycle. Solana seems to be taking the niche of BNB Smart Chain, which was previously seen as a prime competitor to Ethereum. CoinDCX CEO Sumit Gupta has criticized WazirX's proposed compensation plan following a major hack, arguing that it prioritizes corporate interest over user well-being. Gupta believes that the losses from the hack should be absorbed by the exchange rather than being transferred to users. He also labels the proposed compensation as ineffective, pointing out that the poll choices seem strategically designed to protect the exchange's business interests first. But WazirX offers 2 main options for users: access 55% of funds without withdrawals, where users retain 55% of their portfolio value without immediate withdrawal rights, and access 55% of funds with withdrawals, where users can withdraw 55% of their portfolio value, while the remaining balance is converted to USDT or other tokens. Now, both options have been criticized for the inherent limitations and the unfavorable conditions imposed during the valuation snapshot. So that's all in the bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. And for more such updates, do log on to our website www.reversetv.io or scan the QR code.